5 hottest insurance trends in the U.S. in 2025. Hackers, floods, and AI are reshaping everything. Have you ever wondered why your insurance premiums keep going up? Or why your insurer suddenly canceled your policy, even though you haven't filed a claim? Or how just one cyber attack can send shockwaves across the entire insurance industry? Over the past 24 hours, the U.S. insurance landscape has been hit by a wave of major developments, from lawsuits over data breaches to climate-driven premium hikes. Whether you're living in the U.S., running a business, or investing in property, these 5 trends are critical to understand. 1. Cyber insurance. When hackers become the ones pricing your policy. Just this week, 2 major companies, Erie Insurance and Aflac, were sued over their failure to protect customer data from cyber attacks. These weren't Hollywood-style heists. They were sophisticated, very real breaches with long-term consequences. Why should you care? Cyber insurance used to be niche, mostly for tech companies. Now, everyone from small dental clinics and law firms to restaurants and hospitals are prime targets for cybercrime. When data gets stolen, hackers don't just leak it. They sell it, extort money, or completely shut down businesses within hours. That's when cyber insurance becomes essential. Today, a cyber insurance policy can cost anywhere from $3,000 to over $100,000 per year, depending on the company's size and risk exposure. 2. Social inflation. When jury awards spiral out of control. Have you heard the term nuclear verdict? It refers to jury awards exceeding $10 million. These jaw-dropping payouts are becoming more and more common in U.S. courts. A real-life example. In 2024, a small trucking company in Texas was ordered to pay $89 million in damages after a road accident. Why? The plaintiff's attorneys leveraged emotional arguments and highlighted invisible losses like trauma and long-term stress. What's the result? Insurers are raising commercial insurance premiums, especially for high-risk industries like construction, transportation, and healthcare. Gallagher, one of the world's largest insurance brokerages, warns, social inflation is the silent force driving up the cost of coverage. 3. AI in insurance. Huge opportunities, but real risks too. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the insurance world. Companies are using AI to automatically price policies, detect fraud more efficiently, offer 24/7 customer support via chatbots. But there's a dark side emerging. If AI misinterprets data or denies claims unfairly, the legal and reputational damage could be huge. A hot issue. Is AI discriminating? Consumer advocacy groups in the U.S. are demanding investigations into whether AI algorithms are showing bias. For example, undervaluing properties in minority neighborhoods or denying coverage based on online behavior. The big question: AI may cut costs, but is it compromising fairness? 4. Climate risk. When weather becomes insurance's biggest enemy. A recent U.S. Treasury report found that homeowners in high-risk areas for natural disasters, like coastal Florida, parts of California, and flood-prone zones in Texas, are paying 82% more in premiums than those in safer regions. Why is this happening? Wildfires in California are becoming more destructive each year. Massive floods in states like Louisiana and New Jersey have pushed the National Flood Insurance Program, NFIP, to raise rates. Hurricanes like Ian and Idalia have caused tens of billions in damages. The result? Many Americans are getting dropped by their insurers or forced to purchase expensive add-ons just to stay covered. In 2025, there's a growing trend of people relocating to so-called climate-safe zones, sparking shifts in the housing market. 5. Auto insurance. Why are car premiums soaring? According to a new report from the Zebra, auto insurance premiums in the U.S. rose by 19% in just 1 year. States like Michigan, Florida, and New York have seen even sharper increases. What's driving this? The cost of parts and repairs has surged. Post-COVID driving has led to more accidents. Weather events like hail, floods, and falling trees are damaging more vehicles. Insurers are also using AI to monitor driving behavior via mobile apps. If you brake too hard, speed frequently, or drive at night, you might end up paying more. Tip: Sign up for a usage-based insurance plan to earn discounts for safe, steady driving habits. Are you living in the U.S. and confused by all these insurance changes? Have you had your policy canceled or premiums raised unexpectedly? Worried your budget is being eaten up by rising insurance costs? Drop a comment below, share your story, or ask any question you have. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Every week, I'll break down the latest trends in insurance, finance, and the U.S. market in a simple, easy-to-understand way, with real-world examples you can relate to. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.